What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Admin Game Dev channel. I'm Jianhua from SNJK Confusion. So I've been working on a project called The Origins Leave No Man Behind and its main story, which is The Origins Who is Envi. Alright, the main goal of me being a game designer is to create something that could benefit the world and make the world a better place to stay. Now this explains why these two games were on my working list. You guys might be asking, how can a game help and change the world? Isn't game bad for children if they got addicted to it? Well, here's how. The main story of The Origins is Who is Envi, which contains the ability to show the future of Earth if we don't protect it. People will need to leave Earth and find a new planet to stay, or even have to stay in space that doesn't have gravity. This game could raise the awareness of humans towards environmental destruction. A lot of games try to engage towards this way, but not much players are willing to pay attention to these games. So I've made use of the environment that I see every day and transform it into a game that might indicate our future using a super realistic graphics on the VR version of this game, so that people could feel how bad it is if we continue to destruct the earth. This might not be the best way to help the earth, but you guys don't have to worry about this point, because The game have a very special and unique style on giving quests to players. Now, you guessed it. We require player to do real-life related stuffs such as recycling, planting trees and other stuffs that could benefit the earth, but still keeping the game interesting with great storylines. I hope that when the game is released, I'm able to clear humans' worries about when the earth is saved, we will need to live and find a new planet, or human is going to extinct if we continue to destroy the earth. So here marks an end of my video. Thank you.